based on the data you've gathered so far or the data that you've seen, what would you consider as a low-hanging fruits, Dr. Gumari? No? Yung mga madaling pwedeng gawin because as you mentioned, itong mga proyektong to could take years and the budget is quite limited. So meron bang mga madali ang solusyon based on what CIRMO has gathered?
I always start with walkability. Walkability yung isa sa pinaka-tangible na kaya talaga gawin ng bawat LGU na hindi kailangan maghintay ng approval for the national government. Although the DPWH right now is extremely supportive with initiatives to make the national roads more walkable and more bike-friendly. So I say walkability is the first thing. Yan yung lowest hanging fruit. And ito, libreng advice na lang to sa kahit sinong LGU yung makikinig dito. It's just look at your city centers. Tingnan nyo kung walkable ba yung city center, yung mga poblacion area natin. Let's start from there, and then the results will speak for itself. And of course, hand in hand with walkability is always public transport. Kasi public transport is the backbone of our entire transport system. 90%, 70 to 90%, depending on where you look at, nagpa-public transport. The vast majority sa atin, lahat tayo nagpa-public transport. Pero, so it's very clear na yung road spaces natin, hindi tayo kulang sa space. I think there is this misconception, kulang tayo sa space sa Metro Manila, ganyan. Ang problema na meron tayo, hindi tayo magaling mag-manage ng space. Hindi natin siya na-allocate ng tama, hindi natin siya na-allocate for the benefit of the majority. And in effect, kasi pag binibigay natin yung space na yun sa majority, mas lumalago yung economy natin. Ang CIRMO is very economy biased. And all of these, and as a byproduct of that, being very biased to the economy, mas nagiging mas maganda yung lakaran natin, naging mas livable yung mga area natin, naging mas walkable. Again, it's always about walkability. That's the first thing. And I hope in the next few years we can influence many LGUs around the country to take the lead.